What's up, everybody? I'm here at Nashville International Airport, and I'm a few hours early for a flight that I'm taking, so I thought to myself, what can I do to pass the time? And you know what? I'm gonna do some good. I'm gonna walk around and see if I can find 50 pieces of trash and put them in their proper place. You know, it might not be a waste of time if I can get to 50 or even one. Picking up trash. Is that your guys' trash? Can I collect it for you? Are you done with the cups? Yeah, I'll do all three. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Well, you guys, this airport looks to be pretty clean. Did I get to 50? I don't think so. The staff here at Nashville International Airport does a great job. I'm in Atlanta now, and since I'm from Tennessee, I'm gonna volunteer to do some good. Let's go try to find 10 pieces of trash and help Atlanta out. Let's go. You guys, you won't believe it. I found my first piece of trash here in Atlanta. Let's get down low. Look at that, a piece of lettuce. It's coming with me. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands after this, but this thing is going in the trash. Somebody's tag. Found some trash. Yeah. Are you taking trash?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm trying to find 10 pieces of trash.
Oh, okay.
All right. You guys, I thought Nashville was pretty clean, the airport there, but this airport so far, I think I've only found 2 pieces of trash. I'm going for 10, so I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I'm gonna keep trying. Good job, Atlanta. I'm very impressed. Oh, except for that right there. Boom. That makes number 3. Yes. Okay, I feel like I reached the end of the airport, if that's even possible.
Please. Airport
They need my
security
attention.
alert. Please maintain control of your...
Okay, I spotted some travelers. It looks like they're almost done with their ice cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop up their trash before they even know what hit them. All right, thank you. All right, we got some trash here. Just going right into the trash can. You guys, you would not believe it. I found some more trash. Looks like she's done too. So this is going to the trash can. Right here. Got another piece of trash over here right in the middle of the walkway. It's nasty gum, and I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands after this one. I'll say this too, Atlanta has some really cool trash cans, automatic sensors. I didn't notice that in Nashville, so Nashville, you gotta step up your game.
attention, please. Airport security alert.
Ladies and gentlemen, to ensure an on-time departure.
So I don't know if I reached my goal, but I got a lot of trash and a lot of ice cream. So thank you for watching. See y'all next time. Bye. That was all totally faked, obviously. I would never steal someone's ice cream. That would just be rude. Y'all, now I'm at Orlando's airport, and there's trash everywhere. I don't even care. I'm too tired. There's trash on the ground right there. Okay, I'll get it. Orlando, you deserve to be clean too.